I'm sitting here with Hank Stokbroekx. He's the VP of Services Marketing, Global Technical Services for the Enterprise Business Group with Huawei Enterprises. Hank, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. So today we're going to talk a bit about Huawei services, and I need you to take a moment and explain to me what exactly does that mean.
Okay, I'm happy to do that. So there's three basic elements. First one is customer support, which is providing 24/7 break-fix support. So whenever partners or customers have an issue, a network down situation, or even a part that's broken, or even a question, they can call us 24/7 in order to get support. We have a call center, various call centers in China, in Europe, and in Mexico, which are staffed 24/7 with experts. So whenever customers or partners call us, we can always get the right expert on the phone or via email or via social media to help them. So that's the first element. The second element is professional services. We have a global staff of professional service engineers able to deploy networks. We do that around the network lifecycle model, consisting of planning, designing networks, implementing networks, and optimizing networks. So that's the professional services. The third part is the training, or learning and certification as we call it. We've developed a large curriculum of training material that we give to partners that they can train partners and customers. And it's about technology training, it's product training, solutions training, sales training, troubleshooting training, all kinds of trainings we developed. And when engineers have achieved a certain level, they can pass a test, they can become HCNA, a Huawei Certified Network Administrator, or professional, or HCIE, which is the highest level, which is Huawei Certified Internetworking Expert. So it's these three elements: customer support, professional services, and training.
Excellent. And so if you're able to, explain to me how Huawei services offerings is different from your competitors.
Well, in the customer support is very similar because it uses an industry standard. There's a standard called ITIL, which is very important when it comes to developing your processes around providing services. So a typical call will be routed to the nearest tech center, and from there it will get either priority based on the priority of the problem. The difference is mainly around the professional services, where Huawei has a long time experience. We come from a telecoms operator's background, where we've deployed networks globally, from deserts to high mountains, anywhere in the world. Very challenging, and we learn a lot around professional services from that. So we've captured all that knowledge and experience, and we've documented that, and now we're able to reuse that knowledge in the enterprise market. Most important thing is that we leverage partners extensively in the enterprise market. So partners for us are absolutely critical in order to provide the service that we need to our end customers, and we have a very good certification system. It's not complicated, it's easy to understand, but it ensures that partners who deliver a service on behalf of Huawei provide the right quality of that service.
And I imagine utilizing vendors, particularly for call centers, for example, allows you to service more people more often and live, because you're able to cover time zones across the world. Right? Understand that right?
Correct. So our partners have their own call center that customers can call, and when they are not able to fix the problem, our partners, they can call our call center, our tech center, technical assistance center, in order to escalate the problem to us, and then we help the partner together with the customer to fix the problem.
Excellent. Well, Hank, thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Take care.